So this is something my thinking was there. So I will start with here. Module 1 will be the users module, which we already have. And here user will log into the website. So either user will log into the website itself, or he will get some referral link. And if we click that referral link, and if we come to this website, then if he has referral link and if he comes to this website, then he will be the referral of that user. So for example, I am logged in. I am the member of the website, and let's say you come to the website using my link, so you will be under my name. So whatever you will earn, I will get some profit from you. So some kind of this referral part we will be dealing with. If you have seen, there will be 4 levels of the referral. So let's say under you, some other person is coming, Carrie is coming, and under Carrie, let's say Tony is coming. Okay, so Tony is coming under this, and under Tony, let's say some Mango is coming. Mango, whatever Mango will pay on the website, some percentage will go to Tony, some percentage will go to Carrie, some percentage will go to Kate, and some percentage will go to Manny. So this kind of affiliation is there. I need to make this kind of thread so that people should refer to my website and they will earn from that one. So this is called the affiliate part of the website. So first level will get 40%. So let's say if Tony Mango is, let's say, if Mango is buying something for $100, and let's say he okay, I'm not going into what he's buying. Let's say the company, let's say because of Mango, we are getting some profit of $10. So that 10 will be divided into different way, like this one. This is the division of the percentage. We'll talk this later. So something kind of referral link should be there. So first thing which we will do, we will create the login part, which we already have, but we will try to make it more. We'll try to make it for this mysite and see how it works. So first thing which I will do is I will create a template for this mysite. So I will open new, and here in the dynamic, in the template page, I will say PHP template, or I'll create a dynamic page and then I'll convert it into template. So I got HTML. Are you listening? Okay. Are you there? Yeah, okay. I thought I'm talking to air. Okay, no problem. Yeah, so money chain, but people will not know. It's hidden. It is a hidden kind of thing. People will get on the referral amount. So nobody will know this kind of percentage is going on internally in our website. They will only get some amount in their account. So they will really don't know how they are getting it. And I will explain you what is this partner A, what is partner B, and I am the admin of the website, so I get 20%. And this part still I haven't thought of. I will think of it. What will be 10% will go into, and I am not right now clear on this part right now. Right now I only want to make the user and the referral link so that when I click, that new user should be underneath. Okay, so now let's make this module 1 first, and then we will think of the module 2. Module 2 is assigning partners with admin approval. The next module we will see this part. The module 1 is the users login with the referral link. Let's delete this whole thing and put the HTML file. Okay, so I will save this page as template and I'll name it as mysite template. Okay, so this page is saved as a mysite and this will be the body. So I will save this body as, I will create in the templates I will say, or in the insert template object I will say editable region, and I'll name it editable region 3. Let me open other template and see what things we did here. So we put some CSS, jQuery, and we put the bootstrap. Okay, let's put all this one here also. So let's copy the files. Maybe I'll copy the CSS from here, and fonts. I'll copy CSS and fonts from here to my site. Then I will copy the JS file from here to my site. And I will also copy users 1 to my site. Okay, for now I will copy all these things, and in the template I'll copy this whole thing into the my site. And instead of this one, my religion, I will use my site. This is a bootstrap.min.js. Actually, I don't want to call the external link, so I will also save this in my local folder. So instead of calling this as a external bootstrap, I will call it a local file. Let's see we have bootstrap or not. We don't have bootstrap, so let's open this file. Okay, so I have this bootstrap.min.js. I also wanted to call from a local. Okay, so now instead of calling this whole thing, I will call from my local folder bootstrap.min.js. This is my script.js where I have the API key and all, and I'm calling to the users /API location path. I'm calling. Where is the location path? Location path is empty right now, so I need to put the location path, proper location path. This location path. So location path should be So this location path should be my whole path. Let's see. Okay. So I will also see what is the location path I will assign. Okay, so this is all about the script and this is the navigation. I will put this navigation inside some file. I will copy this navigation. I will create one file inside the mysite. I will create one file called as nav.php. And inside that nav.php, I will put all this navigation part. Okay, so this is fine. Only thing I will put this one. I'll change it to my site. No, I will remove this part actually because it is in the same folder. I don't need to really go outside and do that. Okay, so here the thing is that we need to get the path of this one. Right now I will keep it like this, but I will give the path, proper path soon. So it should be a proper big path which I have to give. So right now I'll keep it as it is, but I will change this to the real path. Okay, what is, so this is the navigation. So here I will call it PHP include, go one level, my site nav.php. So this is my navigation. After that, I don't have anything. Okay, so this looks good. Now here, I need to fix the location path in the script. I need to fix the location path. Okay, so let's save this one. And now I will create one file, index.php, and I will assign the template, my site. Save it, and then I will, let's upload this whole file to the server, and then I will run this file on the browser. Okay, so this I will change it to whatever I wanted. Right now I have same thing. So I got the body at least, so my site is working. So I have to do first users module. Let's try to see what exactly is there. I will edit little bit some of the users module. Okay, let's see what we have in the users module. So this whole users module is using the template my religion because I copied from there. Here I will modify it to my site. Wait, I change to my site, and here you will see my site part and all this is my site. So I will change everything to my site. Let's change it to my site. This is just authentication. I don't need this one really. Okay, so this is the place where I have to really work now. So we have already the connections folder, if you see, and connection is going to some kind of database and some kind of username and password. It's going to the uh, server, and now I will change it to local. So let me take the local settings. So this is the local settings: a law, root, and null password. So here I will change it to localhost, and this one is fine. A law. This one is root, and this one is nothing, null. Okay, let me see. We are using Apache only. So this is Apache only. So we are having using Apache MySQL. So if you see the control panel, it is Apache MySQL. So let's see. We have connection XMPP HDocs project 100 in XMPP. Okay. Okay. So I changed this to one. So now this connection is using one database. But for this project, I will be using another database because I don't want to put the tables there because a lot of files will come in this database. So it should be separate from the old one. So I'll see localhost root this. Let's connect it. So we have a law which is using the really project 100. Now I will create another database. I will name it as mysite, and default collection will be UTF-8 general, and I'll create it. So this is the mysite. I will use this database. So let's create the connection for this mysite. So I will open this connection panel, that is database binding server behavior. We have connection already one there. We will add another connection here, and I'll name it as con mysite. So I will name it something different, connection mysite, or I can name it as con underscore mysite, and server will be localhost. Username is root, password is null, database I'll select it, and I want the database mysite. I'll test it. So your connection is successful. I'll say okay. So we have second connection called as con mysite, and here I will see con mysite. I'll go this file and I'll just remove the p tag. So it should be only MySQL connect. I don't want this one. Okay. I don't want p connect. It should be connect. Okay, let's move. Let's move now. Okay. So this part is done. I will close all, and then I'll again go to my site, and I'll go to the API. So API is using connection. So we don't need connection. We need MySQL new connection one. So this is something I need to call this one. So it's a con mysite.php, and I'll use same thing. All should be same. This is the refresh token, and I want this table where I will be saving the user's data. So let's use this table. So I will copy this table from A log because we might have this table we need it. I will copy this table from here to another one. So copy table to different uh, host DB. So let's copy it to my site, only structure. I'll copy it and copy successful. Now, if I refresh this, I will get users auth. And let's see what are the table columns. So we have user ID, display name, profile image, email, provider ID, password, access level, member or admin, created date, user created date, UID, login time, profile UID, website, and I also need referral ID. If you have referred me, then referral ID will be your. Initially, it will be 0 by default. Otherwise, it will be the ID of the one which user has referred it. Okay. So I just changed little bit. I added the referral ID here. So I am getting the user ID. I'm checking if user already exists. If user already exists, I update it. And if user does not exist, I insert it. This is the insert part. And I create the session variables which are mentioned here. Also I want this referral ID to go. So let's add this referral ID part. So we have profile ID, and I'll say referral ID, and I will copy this part and I'll paste it here. And I will put user data. So I want referral ID to be passed here. So we need to pass referral ID in the user data. Right now, we are not getting referral ID, but we will pass that referral ID in the user data. So let's go and try to pass it from the front end. So if I go to script.js, right now I will pass the user ID as, okay, so if I am logging in with the Google and I have to pass the user ID dot referral ID. So right now I will just make the referral ID like this. Maybe I'll create a function called as constant get referral ID is equal to a function. So right now I will make the referral ID as 0, or I will make it as 1. Later on I will change it to real referral ID who is referring. So right now I will use this referral ID. So I will make a user data dot referral ID. Referral ID is equal to get referral ID, the one function which I created. Copy it every place. We have every place. So referral ID will be 1 in every case right now. Let me try to use it and see if everything is working or not. So I have to change the location part also. So if I see the location here in my local, where is the location? So location is this one, /project 100 my site. So I have to use this location in the location path. So it should be project 100 my site. When we go to prod, then this will change and I will change it later on. Right now I will keep it for local only. So location path should be project 100 my site, and after that there will be users and API. So I don't need this ending slash. Okay, now we will check it. Okay, I'll refresh it. And then I will log into Google. Okay, once I log in, it calls the API.php and we have the problem. So we have the problem in the database connection and we will fix that one now. So since you will see that we change it to the connection my site. So everywhere on this page we have database connection like this, but we need to change it to connection my site. So I have to change in this page. I'll take underscore connection to underscore connection my site. Find next, replace, 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 replace. Okay, I got replace all. Now I'll change dollar connection to dollar connection my site. Okay, I refreshed it. Now we'll again do that one, same procedure. So first I will log in and I'll see what is coming in the API. Okay, let's check in the API. Okay, so there is another problem. Count does not match. Since I added this one referrer ID, so I need to add one more percentage. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, so it went there and then it redirected to another page. That means it went successfully and came back successfully, and that's the reason it moved. And if I go into database, I'll refresh, I'll go to table data, you'll see my ID is there and everything is there. So right now I'm getting user ID from the file number. So what I will do, I will take this part and I will delete this table and I'll do it again. Recreate it with auto increment. I'm removing the auto increment and I'll create it again. So I'll refresh it. I got this users one. Now I will try to log in again. But before I log in, I will remove the redirection. So once user has posted, submitted, it goes and redirected to home.php, which is not there right now, but it goes there. So it goes here. Right now I will remove it because I want to see what is the response coming. So I will again say login and it is giving me the response like this. success equal to 1, user is access level member, display name this, email is null, logged in time is this one. So email is not going, that is also a problem. We will fix this now. Provider is google.com, UID is this, user created date is this, user ID is null. So email is not going. So something is wrong in our code. So if you remember, this getting email from here is not right. Actually, we should get it from do console.log result return. Let's have one more time. I will empty the table again and I'll try again. Okay, so the problem was I did not refresh the page and so it got added again. So I will empty it again and I'll refresh the page. Then I will try again. Okay, so if I do console.log, I'm getting this as a user information. I get users. Inside user, I have to go to provider data under 0. Still email is not coming here also. So something we are missing. We are not getting the email properly. So this is the Google login. So if we remember our this project, our this ultimate project, let's see what change we have done. We have modules auth.js, authAction.js, where we do the login. So we add this scope provider and email. Let's add this scope again here in the script. We have the provider. Let's add the scope profile and email. And now let's see what we are getting it. Okay, now if I see in the provider data, I'm getting the email also. And let's take this part, email, then this part. So I will copy, I will take the user provider 0, same thing here, photo URL, same thing with the display name, and say user ID. UID is coming from, this is the provider UID and this is the UID which is coming directly. So this is correct. This UID is correct and this one is also correct. And let's copy this one for the Facebook. For this one, for this one. Okay. And now I will also redirect it to home page, which I made it uncommented. And now I will empty the table again by truncate table. And now I'll refresh the page. Let's log in first and then, okay, so it got redirected to home page. That means it is successful. If I refresh this one, so you're getting my email also. And here refer ID is 1. I will make refer ID 0 because this is first record, and all others will go as one because I will be the parent of all the one. Now if I log in again, okay, I need to pass the in the index.php. I need to pass the session ID for it to show the to start with the session start to show that I'm logged in or not. So if I go now to home page, so I'm able to see I'm logged in. I log out and I'll again go to my site and now I'm logged out. Let's log in with the Facebook. Okay, I logged in with the Facebook. I will refresh it. So I got second one. Here also I'm not getting email. So I will see what is missing in the Facebook. We should get the email in the Facebook also. And referral ID is 1. Now what I will do, if anyhow, if user pass the refer underscore ID equal to whatever user we have. So if someone pass refer ID equal to 1, I will save this refer ID in the cookie. Where I will save this referral ID? I will save the referral ID in the cookie. When I will save this referral ID in the cookie, I can access this using PHP also. I can access this referral ID in the JavaScript also. So once I cannot save it in the session because if I save it in the session, I cannot use it in the JavaScript. I can only use it in the PHP. But if I save it in the cookie, so there are two things. One is cookie and one is session. Cookie is something local to the browser and it is saved in the browser. If you see the application panel, we have the cookies tab, and whatever cookie we have, we will save this cookie here in this one. And then I can access this in the PHP also. I can access it in the JavaScript also. So whenever someone pass referral ID equal to 1 or 2, I will save that referral ID in the cookie, and then when user will log in, I will get that referral ID and I will use that referral ID. So this part we will do on Monday. So I will just tell you what things we will be doing. So this is something I have to fix the referral ID. So whenever someone refers something, so I should be able to use that as a referral ID. Second thing, we have to do partners. So now the concept of the website is for each city, I will sign 2 partners. It may be 3 or maybe 4. So we should have arrangement for that also. So right now I'm thinking of 2 partners or 1 partner. So I need to create one table where I will put the city details and then I will put partner details. So partner details will be partner 1 will be, let's say, Kate. Partner 2 is Kerry. So maybe I will get 2 partner and I will say city details is, for example, San Jose or Fremont. So for Fremont, I will put these 2 names as a partner details. And for another city, for example, San Jose, I will say Tony is one of the partner and another partner is maybe Sham. Just a name. For each city, I will put 1 or 2 or more partners and they will help me in building my business. So that is the idea which we have to do next time. So the partner, we need the information of the partner as partner details like partner name, like name, birth year, so that I should know the age, gender, address, city, state, country. So this is the information of the partner, phone number, email of the partner, and he will also put more details, and he will upload the image I can get from the Google. He will upload the documents because I want that partner should live in the country where he is partner. So for example, if someone is in the New York, he can become partner only if he lives in the New York. So he has to upload the document that he lives in the New York. So address proof. This information I need, which I will build it, and then admin approval. So once partner will put that I want to become the partner of this city, I will get that information and I will approve it or I will not approve it. And if I approve it, it will be seen in the website and he will become the partner and he will do the business which I will decide in the website and he will earn something from that one. Is that clear? So this one will go live and I will not do whole website in one stroke because it's a very big website. So I will do this partner part and then I will find real partners for my website. And then by the time I will get the real partners, I will create some more modules. I will build some more modules like Groupon is one of the modules like Groupon. Another module will be businesses. So all the businesses in the city will be here with the reviews. So people can reviews like a Yelp. So it's a Yelp kind of businesses will be there and Groupon like Groupon will be there. And there will be independent contractors. These contractors will do different tasks like cleaning and plumbing or called as handyman and other tasks it will go with other tasks also. So independent contractors. So I will not make all these three things in one stroke. I will complete these two modules and I will find the real partners for my website. And then by the time I get the partners, I will start with the Groupon model and the business model because these two are very important for site to go because partners will go to each businesses in the city and get the details of that business. And then comes the contractors, which we will see later on. Okay. So now, since it is 10:25, so I will not close this session. Let people come, and by the time till they are coming, we will talk more on this one. We will talk more on this part. Okay, let me close the recording.